In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Instagram account. Then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on your profile picture just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on these three bars that are towards the top right of the screen. Once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option over here that does say help. So yep, help is right over here. So you just want to go ahead and select on that. Then you want to go ahead and press on reports a problem. Then you want to go ahead and press this option that says report problem without shaking, because typically it is going to ask you to like shake your phone to address the issue, which is a little bit confusing. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on report problem without shaking. Then once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on don't include and continue. Now from here, all you want to do is you want to explain to them your situation, and you want to explain to the Instagram support team that you would like to go ahead and unfollow everybody all at once. Now in terms of when they actually reply, it really does depend. Sometimes it could be within a couple of hours. However, sometimes it does take up to 48 hours, so the time will vary. But this is one resource that you guys could use in order to unfollow everybody at once on Instagram. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.